Hello folks, today I'm doing a review of the Best Western Westfield Inn in Westfield, New Jersey. As you come in the room, there's your typical card key door. This is the queen suite with 2 queen size beds. It's a standard size hotel room. Really nice. I slept well, and I must say that I'm really impressed with it and would definitely stay here again. Very clean, well kept place, and it looks like it's been updated not too long ago. You know, instead of your traditional carpet that you get in hotel rooms, they went with the laminate, hardwood laminate, or some type of foam that looks like hardwood. You can see the 2 beds, which were very comfortable. The pillows were comfortable as well. My one pet peeve is, if you come over here, you have this large flat-screen TV by LG. The remote didn't work, so basically I could turn the TV on, but I couldn't find any channel adjuster buttons. But to me, it's alright. I really don't watch TV all that much. I'm more of an internet kind of guy. Come over here, you got your pull-out coffee thing. It's basically a Keurig. You know, it uses K-cups, so if you wanted to bring your own K-cups, you probably could do that. We have a small fridge here, and the way the shelves are arranged reminds me of a wine refrigerator. Excuse me. You have a desk here. I don't know whether that's a signal booster, a router of some sort, or maybe like a wireless charger for phones. You have your typical phone here, hotel phone. Side table, chair, easy chair. 2 beautiful queen size beds, 2 lamps. View of that. Okay. One thing I thought was a little weird here is there's another switch, but it doesn't really seem to do much. Oh wow, look at that, that's backlit. That's nice, I didn't even notice that. Anyway. Oh, another thing cool I've never seen before, the desk lamp. Look at that. Pretty neat. Anyway, now we're going to move on to the bathroom. Of course, you got your ironing board, your tray stands, your closet, iron, a couple extra pillows, and then some hangers. Towels from last night. The sink is actually recently installed. That's really, really nice looking. Another thing I found weird, but it's fine because they mostly take showers instead of baths anyways, is stand-up shower stall instead of a bathtub with a shower. The faucet's here by Price Pfister. The tub faucet is a Moen. I believe the shower head as well. I believe that to be the Adler. Now we're moving on to the toilet. This is a 2002 American Standard Space Saver Cadet. We'll give it a flush. Not bad. Pancakes. Apparently the flush valve and fill valve were both recently replaced. The flush handle a while ago, and it's one of those factory lookalikes from Fluid Master. Very, very clean room, very well kept. Great. And I am going to end the video here. Take care, everyone.